the chairman of Board of Management, my friend Tom Mocha, waheshimiwa the members of parliament here present, waheshimiwa Nsoro, waheshimiwa Namoko, waheshimiwa Nakundi, the headmasters, the principals here, my friend Okuba, Ken UT Secretary, and the Ken UT Secretary Bucha, Rusi, I have seen my friend Matara, and the CAT officials are also here. I'm here. First, I want to apologize because we were supposed to be here around 11, but because we had a program and we started from Nairobi a little bit late because of the nature of the weather, we were not able to be here in the time as we expected to. Mumetusamea? Tumesamehewa jameni? Yeah, we have come here for one purpose. The Kenya Kwanza government has started a digital reparatory program that we want to spread in each and every TVET institution. This particular program that we have been able to run this day here in this institution, we started it with His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya in Kapete National Polytechnic some 2 months ago. The initiator and the one who has been able to start it is none other than His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya. Here today, the computers that we sent earlier, in order that our young people can be able to access and leverage on technology, are 100 devices. Each and every piece of the 100 devices that we have been able to bring here, the cost is approximately 100,000. So you can see the entire cost of all the devices that we have brought here is actually coming to almost 10,000. The target, what we want to do as government, we have 300 kind of institutions like this one, and we want each and every institution to have this particular program. Happening in various parts of the country. We have established one in Bungoma, there is one in Baringo, Eldoret, Nyeri, and a few other parts of the country, and also saying no, keroka cannot be left behind. So I think this is now the 30th such institution that we are starting this program. The purpose of this program is for our young people to gain competencies and skills which will enable them to get online jobs. Because there are so many opportunities that we have online. American companies, UK companies, and other parts of the world are offering jobs which you can only access online. And once they gain this knowledge, once they gain the skills and the competencies that we are imparting to them here, there's no doubt that they will be able to earn some income in the same way that those who have been trained in this particular program are earning today. In Kapete, where we started the program, students are now earning the equivalent of 40,000 Kenyan shillings a day, and that money is earned in the form of a dollar. The much needed foreign exchange, we are getting it through that. You know, one such very serious problem we have as a country is unemployment of our youth. So this is a solution, a major one, such that a number of you are going to access jobs, and we encourage that as many of you as possible kindly take advantage of this facility so that you gain these skills in order to start earning a living. You will be able to pay your school fees out of what you will be able to earn. You will also be able to cater for other needs that you will not have been able to do so if at all you never entered this particular program. You will also even be able to support the family out of what you will earn in this. Keroka Technical is at another level. Chairman, President, members of the board, I thank you, because the number of courses being offered here are the technical courses, and we want to get to another level. where keroka will be at an international level such that the certificates we live here will be recognized not only in Kenya, but regionally and globally. Because once we get to that particular level, and we'll be sure that our students who get certificates from this esteemed institution will be able to get jobs in Eastern Europe and even Canada. And that is our target. Because once we so do, the opportunities for welders, opportunities for plumbers, carpenters, masons, and other technical skills in Eastern Europe are in millions. In Canada, the same. And it's only one way that we'll be able to solve our unemployment problem that we have in this country. So TVET, the perception, the negative perception that we used to have, is no longer so. I think Abagusii people and Kenyans in general are now known that indeed, if you want to get employment, even self-employment, the place where you require to be is in a TVET institution like this one.